Look around you. Your phone, the air, the light hitting your screen, your own body. Everything you see and even things you can't see are made of something called matter. But what exactly is matter? And how can something so simple explain almost everything in universe? Well, let's know that in today's video. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. That might sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful. If something has weight, if it exists physically, if it occupies even the tiniest bit of space, it's matter. That includes solids like rock and metal, liquids like water and oil, gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, even the air you're breathing right now. Yeah, that's matter. Well, let's break that definition down. Mass means how much stuff is inside something. A rock has more mass than a feather because it contains more matter. Space means volume, how much room something takes up. Even invisible things like gas take up space. That's why a balloon expands when you blow air into it. Atoms rarely exist alone. They combine to form molecules. For example, two hydrogen atoms plus one oxygen atom is equal to water. That's H2O. Different combinations create everything you see, from water to plastic to your own body. Matter exists in different forms called states. Solid state. In this, particles are tightly packed. They don't move much. That's why solids have a fixed shape. Next comes liquid state. Particles are closed, but they can move around. Liquids flow and take the shape of their container. Now comes gas, the third form. Particles are far apart and move freely. They spread out and fill any space available. Here's a bonus plasma. There's also a fourth state plasma. It's found in stars, including the sun. It's super hot and full of charged particles. Matter can change from one state to another. Solid can go to liquid by melting. Matter can change from one state to another. Like solid can change to liquid by melting. Liquid can change into gas by evaporation. Gas can become liquid by condensation. These are called physical changes. The substances stay the same, only the form changes. But there are also chemical changes, like burning wood or cooking food, where matters transform into entirely new substances. Here's one of the most important rules in science matter cannot be created or destroyed. This is called the law of conservation of matter. It can change from combine, break apart, but the total amount always stays the same. So, what about light, heat, or electricity? Those are not matter, they are energy. Energy doesn't have mass or take up space, but matter and energy are deeply connected. Thanks to E is equal to mc square, discovered by Albert Einstein. It shows that matter can actually be converted into energy and vice versa. You are made of matter too. Your body is built from atoms that were once part of stars carbon, oxygen, hydrogen. These elements from everything inside you. In a way, you are literally made of stardust. Everything in the universe, planets, stars, galaxies, is made of matter. But here's the twist scientists believe most of the universe is made of something called dark matter, which we still fully don't understand. So, what is matter? Well, it's everything that has mass and takes up space. Easy. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. Matter is the building block of reality itself. So, what is matter actually made of? Well, everything is built from tiny particles called atoms. Atoms are unbelievably small. If we lined up millions of atoms, they would barely be visible. Each atom has protons and it is charged with positive charge, neutrons. It has no charge, electrons, which has negative charge. And here's something crazy most of an atom is actually empty space. And the craziest part, you're not just in the universe, you're made of the same matter that created it. Hope you liked this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching.